ito khop he de we ta hen ti jong le hobung site langa pa da KWS Mumbai site langa pa da se lowa kho ai lo le ki pa thil pi opi lowa kho hong se achu tong den do hin tu ni hin ama sapen dunia ini ki khop da no chu. I think we would have seen that the program today was mostly by the kids, by the Sunday school students and the teachers. Kusung aki gong fensu ide. Very youth day or fellowship here na kipiloin. Tuni so Chapam camp for the first time, maybe I think in the history of KWS Mumbai, we have conducted this children camp. Which is also dunia to children camp to ahile. Worship service also angki doki le. Is also Sunday school hochun. About one program to him kill and that's who I'm hochun keep it over here. Is also skip howe lai lo le zam chong chong hochun in a movie. Tuni ilawazong first time angki hob so me zam ka momentin introduction to involving thing. Which was naga say no to hele group angki say bangin. It's like he take now regular he na hi boy. He now so andheri langa and ka darshan ko hin dunia kem muna hi to thana so it's like he take home boy with you. Can see no hin Sunday school de dinga special Sunday teacher here. Abanin prize distribution I know the prize that you know konti participate hi pagmasamo bin kan say no so introduction kan bolong so ni hin all the KWS executive committee members. Hongo. Here Vice Chairman for Uzang Chona here, K Secretary ka here, Chile Pa Momon. Joint Secretary, Pamangwa Finance. No chichi dong Sile Pago in Amahi Mission Nanahe, San Secretary, Mal Boy, Mahe, Sunday School Superintendent here. Sule Chongneo Zong, Youth Secretary here. Sule no chichi here, Chairperson, Women Department here. I'm over here. I'm also saying even another civil lang Apawazong. We tabang contact them. I know that I to within it. It's a committee here. For Brother Reuben and Sister Bessie, I just would like to inform you that these are the executive committee members of Cookie Worship Service Mumbai. Acha, winner now even. Hung ilang teacher man property secretary na. Winner po So these are the committee members of Cookie Worship Service. That's for your information and for information of all the members. Now, it's between word of thanks has been done. Every Thanksgiving, everything has been said. I will not dwell more into that. We'll quickly go for the gift. Now, department also another chief priority. Ama sapenin Firstly, I would like to, before I call upon Brother Reuben, Matthew and Sister Bestie, just a word of both of them. They have been, really helpful for us this time. With the help of our sister Annie, who has contacted them, they have really, come and delivered wonderful lectures and all the presentations which everybody has benefited, especially all the kids. Just a little more about them. Brother Reuben is a very skilled development and life coach. He to our program Tilawazam he life coach and development. Malam jauh siagam he many hours of impactful